So not many people use their cars, especially 4x4s, for what they're intended. This one certainly has been. It's a proper utility vehicle. We've got golf, fishing stuff, there's probably a bit of bait in there as well. Come and check out some of the dirt. It's proper grimy and the interior is also light grey, so it's going to come up really, really well with a good scrub. So sometimes customers don't empty their stuff out the back, which can be a pain in the arse, but it also gives us a good indication of what they have actually used the car for. So as I said before, fishing, golf, there's all sorts in here. We're going to have to pull it all out. Then we'll probably pull the seats out as well, give the floors a good scrub and get those carpets right back up. You may have noticed as well on some of these interior deep clean videos, we don't actually do anything with the seat belts, despite the fact that they could do with a clean. The reason being for this is that we don't just simply pull the seat belt, shut it in the door and jet wash it. To do it properly without the car going mouldy afterwards, you have to unbolt it from here, take this whole piece out, take the whole belt out, lay it out along the floor, jet wash it and then let it dry overnight in fresh air. So that's the reason why we don't do it on some of these details, because it simply takes too long for the time that we've got the car. That's the interior of the Lexus, all done and dusted. Looks fresh, carpets all sorted out, seats back in again, she's good to fight another day. Loads more golf and fishing to be had. Hope the owner enjoys, and we'll see you next time.